In this video, I am going to show you how to set up answering machine on AT&T Cordless phone. So, first of all, you would like to look at the telephone base. If you see as example buttons such as NEC on and off, play and stop and delete, then your phone has a built-in answering machine. So to turn on the answering system, you'd like to press on the ANC on/off. The button should be on the base. Of course, or any like many models, you can press on menu, select answering sys or sys, then select answer on or off, and of course you would like to choose on. Basically, when enabled, the handsets usually display as on or ANC or answer on or ANS on. As you can see on this model, there have the answer on here. You can just go and press it and it will be on. Then on the handsets, you can find an example record option. Many models, you'll have to press on menu, select answering says, choose announcement, and follow the prompt to record your greeting. On some models, you'll find just a record button, so you can keep the default greeting if you prefer. AT&T phones allows recording and custom greeting to about 90 seconds on many models, so you can click on record and record the greeting that you want. And as example, if you're still on answering systems menu, you can choose number of rings, and most models let you choose 2 rings, 3 rings, 4, 5, 6, and toll saver. You can choose the option that works best for you, and then you can try an example once you finish to call your home phone from another phone, and if no one answers, the greeting should play and it should leave a short message after. You can press on play/stop on the base to listen to it to see if the recording of the other person that's called you is recorded or not. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.